January the 9th, 2023. It's already expired. What am I supposed to do with this? Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our first BoxyCharm Premium of 2023. For those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, I will leave all the information down below about all the tiers as well as a coupon code so that you can get some money off on your first box. How about that? Okay, so let's just jump right in. And of course, when we open up our box, the first thing we find is our description card, and it looks like this, and it has the same theme as our base box, which is so fresh and so clean. On the other side, of course, is the description of each and every item that is included. Okay, so how about we just go ahead and jump right in? All right, now the very first item in this box is by RINNA Beauty, and it's this one right here, and it says this is the Icon Collection Lip Gloss. All right, and it says soft, smooth, shiny, and ultra shimmery. One swipe of this champagne pink gloss instantly makes lips look more full and juicy. The formula is ultra lightweight. It feels comfy, not gooey, but rich enough to last on lips for hours. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $19. And this is brand new to Boxy. Now, according to this, it has a 12-month shelf life, and it is a 0.14 fluid ounce size, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. Okay, well, I'm wearing kind of a matte, so let's just go ahead and let's just swatch it. Now, I must start off by saying I'm really not in need of the juicy lip looking thing, but for the purposes of this video, we're going to try it on, okay? That's a little oh, that's not bad. What are your thoughts? No, not too bad at all. However, it is just a little sticky. Maybe it's because I do have a lipstick on, and this is quote unquote a lip gloss, but we'll just check it out and see what happens. Okay, now the second item that we have is by Item Beauty. Okay, and it is this one right here, and this is Item Beauty by Addison Rae, and it says this is the Lucky Line Longwear Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil. That's a long name, but nonetheless, it says an ultra soft, easy glide, clean gel pencil, gel and pencil. Okay, that is water, sweat, and smudge proof for intense, long-lasting pigment and a creamy matte finish. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $14. Okay, so let's just pop it open and see. Well, of course, we don't usually open our liners because the shelf life is so short. So let's just check it out and see how short it really is. Now, according to the packaging, this is a vegan item. And, oh, no way. Okay, give me 1 second. And the shade is black. Okay, I'm kind of having a moment here because how about it says this has a 24-month shelf life? An eyeliner? Now that's a first. That is a first. But since that's the case, we might as well go ahead and open it and swatch it. It definitely does look... It definitely does have the eye pencil look. So let's just see. Oh my. But the liner itself is gorgeous. Look at that. How about that, y'all? Okay. Well, we'll give it some time and then we'll check and see if it is indeed smudge proof as they say. So that is item number 2. And moving right along, the next one we have is by UOMA Beauty. Let me tell you something. Can we just take a moment and enjoy and appreciate this packaging? It's gorgeous. Okay, enough with the packaging. This one says, this is the Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Mascara. Okay. And it says, this bestseller is now dripping in gold. The unique hourglass shaped wand grabs and lifts each lash, delivering extreme volume, while the nourishing formula moisturizes and promotes lash growth. So this is a 2-in-1, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $19.50. Okay, let's just go ahead and really take a look. So this is what the inside packaging looks like, and it says Salute to the Sun. All right, and okay, back to reality, because according to this packaging, it says it has a 6-month shelf life. That's what we're used to when it comes to mascaras and liners. But nonetheless, it does say that it has a 6-month shelf life, and the shade that we have is called Kim, which is actually, it looks like a black. Now, I'm hoping that's what it is. It does have a blue line around it, but that could just be part of the packaging, okay? This is a 0.11 ounce size, okay? That one is item number 3. Then the next item that we have, we're moving right along, y'all. Okay, is by Volition, and this is this product right here. It says it's a brightening serum powered by 20% strawberry derived vitamin C and hyaluronic acid for noticeable radiance, hydration, and even tone skin. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $42. Okay, so let's just pop it open and see what it has to offer. Okay, this is what the inside packaging looks like, and it says this is a 1 fluid ounce size. And it says it is designed to visibly brighten, hydrate skin for a visibly plumper appearance. It helps enhance skin's natural complexion, helps reduce excess oil, and minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, now this is also a cruelty-free product, and it has a 6-month shelf life. Okay, so we're not going to open this one yet. We're not ready for that yet. Okay, and who knows, it may possibly end up in a giveaway, but nonetheless, we'll see. All right, so this is item number 4, and the next item that we have is by Hyde. Okay, and it's this one here, and this is the Hyde Premium Foundation. It says this perfect liquid foundation achieves the perfect natural look with this soft matte foundation that easily builds to medium full coverage. The custom oil-free formula is made to resist sweat and won't clog your pores. This is new to Boxy, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $30. Okay, and here's what the inside packaging looks like. Very clean. Okay, all right, and it says the benefits are this is oil-free and undetectable. It says It's great for normal, dry, oily, and combination skin. The coverage is medium to full, and the finish is natural. And it says it is formulated without phthalates, animal testing. Okay, now it has a 12-month shelf life, and the shade that I have is called Mocha. Boy, that looks a little light right there on the packaging. Okay, now, okay, kind of having a little bit of a moment here. Boy, this really blew it for me just that quick. How about the expiration date on this product says January the 9th, 2023. It's already expired. What am I supposed to do with this? Okay, I can't even test it. I don't want to test it because it's expired. What am I supposed to do with that? Okay, we're not getting upset. We're not getting beside ourselves. We will be contacting BoxyCharm in the morning, okay? Then the last item that we have is by Dominique Cosmetics. And this is the Unconditional palette. All right, and it says, colors you'll adore for the moments you'll cherish. This palette includes 8 warm, buttery shades ranging from rosy hues to rich burgundy with a mix of shimmers, mattes, and even a glitter finish. You can create endless looks for all the gatherings and fun events ahead. It's ultra pigmented, super blendable, and perfect for those days and nights. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $28. Okay, not bad, not bad. And this is what the back of that packaging looks like. Now let's just go ahead and see what the inner package looks like. Oh, this is beautiful and very compact. This is what the inside packaging looks like. Now, I thought this says it had 8 shades. It does say it has 8 shades. However, according to the package, it's only 6. And when I open it, it's only 6. Come on, y'all. What is really going on? Y'all are really throwing me for a loop with these last 2. Okay, so this is what the palette itself looks like. And it is 6 pans, okay? Now, it has a 12-month shelf life. And the packaging says, love the moments, you'll cherish the memories. Okay, and do we want to swatch it? Y'all know I'm looking for expiration date now after this last episode. It's not giving me an expiration date. But how about we go ahead and swatch? This is what the shades look like right here. And we're going to swatch them on the back of my hand with one pass. Look at that. And this is what those shades look like. Now, it's kind of, there is a glitter shade in here, okay? And with this glitter shade, it is falling all over the place, okay? Because it did kind of blend into the other. See, it's right here in the middle. Now, of course, it does have a mirror. It has the frosted film on it, so it's not tearing up our eyes here, okay? But I have to admit, I like this. You know, I seem to really gravitate to this shade right here. I love this shade. Okay, so, oof, now I got glitter all over my shirt. All right, well, nonetheless, okay, we did kind of move rather quickly through this, which I'm fine with, absolutely fine with. But with all of these items that were here, I do love the plethora of items and products that we have. However, I am truly challenged by this, okay? Because I can't even try it on because the expiration date has already passed. Okay, so we'll just move right along. But let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know what was in your box. Did you appreciate your box? Hopefully you didn't get any expired makeup. But nonetheless, I just want to let you know that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbox the first BoxyCharm Premium of 2023. Now, these are the items that were included. Yes, even the expired one, and down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that is included in the box. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.